The Weather Extreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, September 21st. I'm James Spann. Actually, some rain on radar this morning. A little more rain than we bargained for, at least to start the day. But after today, the rest of the week looking relatively quiet. Let's check it out. That's the big picture, the water vapor satellite view. There's kind of a tropical connection, as you can see. Some moisture coming in, the high levels from the eastern Pacific interacting with a shortwave. And look at that. That's the radar early this morning. That was captured at 5:09. Actually had some thunder at that point down in South Chilton County below Clanton. And patches of light rain over parts of west and north Alabama moving east. The models really didn't identify this feature that well and show this much rain. And rain amounts will be light today, but certainly some folks will see some. That's a watch warning map. Look at the flash flood watches back in the Southeast U.S. I would include places like Phoenix, Arizona for today and tonight, actually and tomorrow as well. And up in the Northeast, I see some frost advisories. Another sign of the times, but things are quiet around here. Convective outlook. Obviously no severe weather problems today, but we're actually getting some thunder down there below Clanton, so they'll need to pull that green area northward up into central Alabama, meaning the chance of some thunderstorms, but not severe. Then tomorrow, a marginal risk way up north. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. Not very much. Really, after today, the week looks fairly dry. Maybe rain chances increasing a little bit late this weekend and early next week, as you'll see. Let's check weather in the tropics. We have one tropical storm on the board. Eyes are on Ida. Things in the central Atlantic packing maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour. We'll check the tropical models, and that's a spaghetti plot right there. That thing looks like a bowl of spaghetti. The steering currents have kind of collapsed. It's going to sit there for a few days. But then toward the end of the week and the weekend, the upper air wind should carry this thing north-northeast, only affecting shipping lanes and fish. No issues for the United States. Here's the official forecast from the Hurricane Center. They do ramp it up to a hurricane, a Category 1 hurricane, late Friday night as it starts that northward journey. But again, that should not affect any landmass. Hey, model fans, what do you say? The GFS, this is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. You can see that nice shortwave passing through. That's the synoptic look off the GFS. Let's check the high-res HRRR. Kind of got the back edge of the rain at 2 o'clock this afternoon, approaching Birmingham. So looks like we'll have periods of rain this morning, ending this afternoon, and a good chance we don't get out of the 70s today because of the clouds and showers. Tomorrow, we go back in the mid-80s with a pretty decent amount of sunshine. We'll have a dry forecast. Wednesday, mostly rain-free. And technically, the chance of rain is not zero, but it's so small we're not going to mention it. Mid-80s are likely. Same thing Thursday, the GFS printing a high of 84. And the same thing Friday, although this is suggesting there might be a few showers over northeast Alabama Friday, maybe Gadsden and Fort Payne and Scottsboro. We'll watch model trends. For the moment, we'll just say an outside chance of a shower Friday. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. There's an upper low across the region, and how that thing develops and behaves will determine the chance of rain. This is Saturday, and that still looks relatively dry for most of the state, with a better chance of showers with the upper feature north and east of here. And the high Saturday would be somewhere between 80 and 85 if this is right. And that's exactly where we should be for late September. And then Sunday, moisture begins to return, and that suggests there's a chance of showers statewide Sunday, if this verifies, and we'll certainly mention that in the forecast. And then this is a week from today, Monday, September 28th. Still the polar jet as well to the north, and down below that, a pretty decent pool of moisture. So, again, the chance of scattered showers on Monday. And we note the GFS depicting a tropical low down there in the Yucatan Channel coming up into the southern Gulf of Mexico. We'll keep an eye on that. This is the end of the forecast, the end of the month. This is the middle of next week, Wednesday, the 30th. You can see still a little low pressure aloft down to the south of here, and a little tropical feature maybe around the Florida Big Bend, the Appalachee Bay. 1,003 millibars. Not especially strong, but obviously that still shows a lot of moisture in through here. Temperatures for the next 15 days. Highs after today, mostly mid-80s this week, then low 80s next week, and lows upper 50s, low 60s, and those numbers, again, about where we should be for late September and early October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.